everyone. Welcome to another Prime S4 demo series on SAP AI. In our last session, we were focusing on an inbound scenario, which was purchase order delivery prediction. In this session, we'll be focusing on an outbound scenario. So we'll be focusing on prediction of delay in delivery creation and delivery processing for sales order items. I am Bimal Subhakumar. I am based out of Denver, Colorado. I am accompanied by Lalith. He's a supply chain consultant based out of Washington, US. So today we are going through the scope item 2YJ, which is in S4HANA Public Cloud. As we mentioned in the previous session that for AI scenarios, we would like to have the demo in public or private cloud system. So today we are going through another prediction scenario, which is slightly different from the production order delivery creation, delivery prediction that we did in the first series. So in this, we have two models available to predict the delay in delivery creation and also a model to predict the delivery processing, how much delay it will take as per the planned processing time of delivery. When we say processing, it is all about pick, pack, PGI completion, right? So in today's demo, we will go through the intelligent scenario management app and train the two models. And then we will go into the predicted delivery delay app, and we will showcase the predicted dates for delivery creation and delivery processing. And then we can also show how to retrain. So this will help us to understand and work on data of delivery processing before the transportation starts, right? So the internal delay will be can be identified proactively, and that will help us in overall fulfillment process. Again, we want to stress on the data requirement. We need hundreds and thousands of data to have meaningful result, and old data should be avoided. So data is critical for all our AI models. Business benefits of the predicting it is, as I mentioned, like internal sales rep can proactively manage the fulfillment risk of orders. They can act early on delays and reallocate resources, improve the reliability of our dates that we communicate to customer, and hence the customer satisfaction, and detect the potential fulfillment delays before shipment begins, and any downstream impact can also be managed. And this will drive continuous improvement by retraining the model, and we can get more accurate results. So now I am handing it over to Lalith. Lalith, over to you. Please share how these work in the S4HANA public cloud system. Thank you.
So here we're going to explore how these scenarios work in the S4HANA public cloud system. So similar to the last situation and the last intelligent scenario we managed, we have to go to the intelligent scenario management application. In this, an easy way of sectioning out our required intelligent scenarios for training is by simply typing in sales as the line of business. This shows us all the sales intelligent scenarios. Here we are primarily targeting the predicted delivery creation delay and the predicted delivery processing delay. So for example, firstly, let's target the creation delay. When we go into this, we can simply select it and click it again. And once this is set up, we can see a model, and we can select it and proceed to train it. Once this model is trained, it'll create various models of itself and train itself based on the existing data. This would improve with the quality and quantity of data that you have. Next up, we can head back into the same application, which is the intelligent scenario management application, and go into predictive delivery processing delay. Once we go into this, we again have a model that we have created. If we have enough data, we can go into it and proceed to train it. Once we train this, as such, it's a simple two-click feature where you click train and train again, and it'll inform you if your data set has fewer points. So it'll first get scheduled, and this will take a second. And once it is scheduled, it'll be available for activation. This normally takes some time because the amount of data takes some time to process. So simply, we have this active model version. We can work with that for now. If we do want to activate our future models, we can simply click on this radio button and click on the activate, which will highlight once the status has been completed. Now, since we have an active model, let's head back into where we actually see these results. These results can be found in the predicted delivery delay app. On this app, we have various filters that we can set up if we'd like. And by simply hitting the go button, it pulls up the data along with the chart for all our open sales documents. Let's just simply see the table here. In this view, we can see the various sales documents which are open, along with the requested quantity and a bunch of other details. We have settings to modify the rows and the columns that we're seeing. And the columns that we're primarily targeting here are overall predicted delivery delay status, predicted delay of delivery creation, and predicted delay of delivery processing. Based on historical data, we can see that the requested delivery delay is on a certain date, and this prediction model will return the the delay it takes to create the delivery itself. So this is just simply creating the order, and this will show us when the delivery is created. The predicted delay of delivery processing targets the amount of time it takes for us as users to end up completing the entire PGI process. With this, we've covered the entirety of the predicted delivery delay application. Thank you. So thank you for joining us in this demo. We hope you learned a lot, and if you have any further questions, please contact us at contact@primespo.com.